Alden, with short update. Nasa post ng Vivo. May event bukas si Alden for grand launch ng Vivo X200 FE. Yan, sa alas 6 yan. Nabangan niya si Alden. Ayun pa nga yung OOTD ni Alden for Vivo. Ay nakita pa nga sila ng kagild ni Alden. Yung balik gamer na kaya si Alden. Ito, may nagpa-picture pa nga kay Alden. Sabi, bite mo sa personal pare. Yun know, sana all. Nagpa-picture kay Alden. Saka ito pa, sabi niya, kung si Alden Richard ba naman maabutan mo sa bodega, napakagwapo. Yun know, yung nag-bike si Alden yun ng morning ride. Kasama niya yung mga friends ni Alden, syempre. Yun know. So, may supplement pa nga. Ito yung interview kay Alden.
I had my vacation because last December was a very hard season for us because of my grandfather's passing. So we didn't really have that much time to really spend time together and magkaroon ng downtime. So happy ako kasi sobrang nag-enjoy. Most especially yung sumunod sa akin, si Riza. Sobrang na-enjoy niya yung London. Even yung youngest namin, si Angel. We're very happy. Happy kami, I mean, with the performance of the show. Of course, mga Pinoy mahilig sumayaw. And what more, it's just so very rewarding for us to get such feedbacks from the viewers. I've became part of the GMA family during its 60th year. So I'm very proud and happy. For 15 years, I've been a solid kapuso ever since day one. Diamond anniversary ng network. Talagang dapat, we have to be present and we have to prepare for it.
Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell for more updates. This is Twitch Short Reaction Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.